Brahmavadini, who composed some hymns in Veda. Lopamudra. Lopamudra, correct. And Lopamudra was a Brahmavadini, female Vedic scholar, and wife of Agast. She composed hymns in ऋग्वेद. लोपमुद्रा ने इनको ब्रह्मवादिनी कहा जाता था. और इन्होंने ऋग्वेद में मंत्र भी लिखे हैं. गार्गी वॉज ए ग्रेट फिलोसफर. शी इज एसोसिएटेड विथ बृहदरण्यक उपनिषद. ऋग्वेद से नहीं रिलेटेड हैं ये गार्गी जी. लीलावती. नो एविडेंस ऑफ वैदिक ब्रह्मवादिनी नेम्ड लीलावती. सावित्री इज ए मिथोलॉजिकल फिगर इन हिंदू टेक्स्ट, नॉट ए वैदिक हिम कंपोजर. और जो ब्रह्मवादिनी थी उसमें विश्वभारा वैदिक पोएटेस, घोष फीमेल ऋषि इन ऋग्वेद, सिक्त एंड नीवावरी वोमेन स्कॉलर मेंशन्ड इन वेद, गार्गी एंड मैत्री लेटर वैदिक पीरियड में एंगेज्ड इन फिलोसफिकल डिबेट्स इन उपनिषद. सिक्त एंड नीवावरी वोमेन स्कॉलर वेद इन मेंशन्ड इन वेदास, घोष फीमेल ऋषि इन ऋग्वेद. During Rigvedic period, word nisk was used in jewelry, but in later period it was used for the meaning of arms. नहीं, nisk was never used for weapons or arms. Farming equipment नहीं. Vedic texts do not associate nisk with agriculture. Script नहीं, as writing was not prevalent in early Vedic period. Coin correct है क्योंकि nisk was a gold ornament, but later in the post-Vedic period it came to represent gold coins. ठीक. Rigvedic uses gold necklace worn around the neck is called nisk greave. Later nisk became a currency unit used for trading and gift exchanges. During the Rigvedic period nisk was an ornament of, मतलब निस्क किस चीज़ का ornament था. ठीक, ये गले का था, नेक. निस्क वॉज ए गोल्ड नेकलेस वर्न अराउंड द नेक इन द ऋग्वेदिक पीरियड. ईयर के लिए नहीं. आर्म में जो पहना जाता था उसको केयूरा कहते थे. रिस्ट मतलब जो मतलब जो ये यहाँ मतलब अपने कलाई में पहना जाता है उसको कंकना कहते हैं. हिरण्य जनरल टर्म फॉर गोल्ड. ठीक, जैसे इंडस रिवर को कहते थे. मनी यूज्ड फॉर जेम स्टोन्स. ठीक. चत्राका ए गोल्डन हेड गियर. चत्राका. हिरण्य जनरल टर्म फॉर गोल्ड. मनी जेम स्टोन्स. चत्राका गोल्डन हेड गियर. निस्क गोल्ड ऑर्नामेंट. एज निस्क वॉज इनिशियली यूज्ड एज गोल्ड नेकलेस इन द ऋग्वेदिक पीरियड. काऊ गऊ अघन्य. ठीक. Copper. Nisk was associated with gold, not copper. Silver coins were introduced much later in the Mauryan period, 300 BC. Cow-based economy. Wealth was measured in terms of cattle, cow or pasu. Post-Vedic economy. Nisk became the medium of exchange. Pan and Satman were other currency units. Okay. बोघज कोई is important because it was an important trading center between Central Asia and Tibet. नहीं. बोघज कोई is in modern Turkey and was not a major Indo-Tibetan trade hub. Inscription were found which mentioned the name of Vedic god and goddess. सही है. बोघज कोई inscription 14th century BC contain the reference of Indra, Mitra, Varun और नसत्य. Original text in the Ved were composed here. नहीं. Vedas were composed in Indian subcontinent, not in Anatolia. Anatolia को क्या तब मतलब तुर्की को तब अनाटोलिया कहा जाता था. ये कहाँ मिला? फाउंड इन हिटिटी कैपिटल मॉडर्न डे तुर्की. प्रूव्स इंडो आर्यन कनेक्शन विथ मितानी किंगडम. ठीक. द नेम्स ऑफ द वैदिक डाइटीज इंद्र, मित्र, वरुण और नसत्य, अश्विन are mentioned in a treaty between Hittites and Mitanni rulers. Suggests Indo-Aryan migration and early Vedic culture influence beyond India. Which of the following inscriptions tell about the Aryan movement from Iran to India? ईरान से इंडिया. तो ये बोघज कोई. मानसेहरा कहाँ है? Mansehra contains inscription from Mauryan period. Ashoka edicts does not mention Aryan. Shahbaz Girghi, Pakistan also has Ashokian edicts, not Aryan migrants record. Baghaj inscription 14th century BC found in Turkey mentions Vedic deities Indra, Varun, Mitra और नक्षत्र अश्विन. इंद्र, मित्र, वरुण और नक्षत्र indicating Indo-Aryan connections. Junagadh inscription belong to Rudraman, 2nd century CE and later rulers. Boghaj Koi inscription Turkey confirm Indo-Aryan presence in Mitanni kingdom. Mitanni rulers use Sanskrit-like terms for treaty oaths. Indra, Mitra, Varun, Nashatra supports the Aryan migration theory. Proto-Indo-Iranians moved from Central Asia to India 1500 BC. Michael Witzel, The Origin of Indo-Aryans, Romila Thapar. And in inscription of the 14th century BC which describe the Vedic god has been found in, मतलब जो वैदिक गॉड के बारे में बताते हैं वो कहाँ मिला था. बगजगोई ये कहाँ अपने तुर्की में है. एक्टबाना ये क्या है. एक्टबाना इज मॉडर्न ईरान वाज कैपिटल ऑफ मीडियन एम्पायर 7th century BC with no mention of Vedic deities. बगजकोई करेक्ट एज बगजकोई इंस्क्रिप्शन मेंशन द वैदिक गॉड्स जैसे इंद्र, मित्र, वरुण और नक्षत्र ड्यूरिंग द 14th century BC. Babylon was a Mesopotamian city with Akkadian Sumerian gods, not Vedic deities. Bisotun inscription Iran belongs to Darius I of Persia. Okay. Who among the following wrote on the original homeland of Aryans? Shankaracharya नहीं. Adi Shankaracharya 8th century CE was a philosopher of Advait Vedant. शंकराचार्य जी अद्वैत वेदांत के वो थे. एनी बेसेंट सी वॉज थियोसॉफिस्ट एंड सोशल रिफॉर्मर. विवेकानंद स्वामी विवेकानंद फोकस्ड ऑन वेदांत, हिंदुइज्म एंड स्पिरिचुअल रिवाइवल, नॉट आर्यन माइग्रेशन. बाल गंगाधर तिलक in his book Arctic Home in Vedas 1903 proposed that Aryan originated in Arctic region. ठीक है. He interpreted Rigvedic hymns as evidence of an Arctic homeland for Aryans. His theory is not widely accepted by modern historians who support Central Asian or steppe theory of Aryan migration. Okay. The name of the scriptures in which Purush Medha was mentioned. अच्छा पुरुष मेधा किस में था. कृष्ण यजुर्वेद partially correct as per Purush Medha is mentioned in the Taittiriya Brahman of Krishna Yajurveda. ठीक. सतपथ ब्राह्मण partially correct at सतपथ ब्राह्मण of शुक्ल यजुर्वेद also describe पुरुष मेध. शुक्ल यजुर्वेद partially correct at सतपथ ब्राह्मण which describe पुरुष मेध. और देखा जाए ये पुरुष मेधा ह्यूमन सेक्रीफाइस रिचुअल, ये सिंबॉलिक सेक्रीफाइस होता है, ये नॉट एन एक्चुअल ह्यूमन सेक्रीफाइस. रिप्रेजेंट द कॉस्मिक क्रिएशन एंड डिवीजन ऑफ सोसाइटी इनटू 4 वर्ल्ड. ऋग्वेद पुरुष सूक्त 10वां मंडल आल्सो डिस्क्राइब पुरुष मेधा कंसेप्ट. ठीक. द प्रीस्ट एसोसिएटेड विथ किंग विदेघा माधव रिफर्ड इन सतपथ ब्राह्मण वाच. विदेघा माधव मतलब ये ऋषि गौतम रघुगान. ऋषि भरद्वाज was a Rigvedic sage and author of hymns not associated with Madhav. Rishi Vasisht was a chief priest of King Sud. Battle of 10 Kings ऋग्वेद जिसमें मतलब 10 जातियों से लड़े थे, मतलब 10 ट्राइब लोगों से लड़े थे, तो किंग सुद जो विजयी हुए थे. ऋषि विश्वामित्र was an early Vedic rishi known for conflict with Vasisht. Rishi Gautam Raghugan Satpat Brahman mentioned that King Videh Madhav was guided by Rishi Gautam Raghugan. Satpat Brahman described movement of King Videh Madhav from the Saraswati region to Bihar, bringing Vedic culture to the east. Rishi Gautam Raghugan helped the spreading Vedic rituals in Kosal and Videh region. This suggests the eastward expansion of Vedic civilization. In the post-Vedic period, which was considered the axis of Aryan culture, Ang, Magad, ये मतलब regions gained prominence only during the later Vedic and Mahajanpad period, 6th century BC. Kosal or Videh, these were important center of Vedic learning. They were not considered main axis. Kuru Panchal, सही है. As these regions were cultural, political, and intellectual centers of Aryan civilization during the post-Vedic period. Matsya Sursen, as these regions were not the primary hubs of Aryan culture. Kuru Panchal. Kuru Panchal region, modern Haryana and western UP, was the heart of Vedic civilization. ठीक, Kuru Panchal. Many important religious texts, including Brahman and Upanishad, were composed in this region. Great advancement in science, mathematics, astronomy, philosophy, and statecraft took place here. Delhi and its surrounding areas were part of the Kuru kingdom. कुरु और पंचाल कहाँ? हरियाणा और वेस्टर्न यूपी में. द वर्ड गोत्र अक्वर्स फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन, गोत्र कब आया था? ऋग्वेद में. अथर्ववेद फोकसेस मोर ऑन रिचुअल्स एंड चार्म्स, नॉट सोशल लीनेज. यजुर्वेद सैक्रिफाइशियल टेक्स्ट, सामवेद म्यूजिक, और ऋग्वेद गोत्र मीनिंग काउ शेल्टर, हर्ड ऑफ काउज, appears first in Rigved, later evolving into a clan or lineage system. Gotra originally meant herdsmen, clans or groups, later evolved into a lineage system identifying descent from a common ancestor. Brahmins adopted the Gotra system to trace their lineage from ancient rishis. The religion of early Vedic Aryans was primary of, मतलब किस चीज़ का प्राइमरी था? Worship of nature and yagna. Bhakti devotional worship developed much later in Gupta period, 4th to 6th century CE. Image worship and yagna, as early Vedic religion focused more on sacrifices and nature worship. Worship of nature and yagna, correct, as Vedic Aryans worship natural elements like fire, wind and rain, though yagna sacrificial rituals. Worship of nature and bhakti, as bhakti was not a concept of early Vedic period. ठीक. God represented natural forces जैसे इंद्र, अग्नि, वरुण, वायु. Ritual sacrifices, यज्ञ, were the main form of worship. ठीक. यजुर्वेद में जैसे no ideal worship, temples are organized priesthood in early Rigvedic period. In the Rigvedic period, people believed mainly in sacrifice and rituals. Ideal worship emerged much later in Hinduism. One god belief. Vedic religion was polytheistic, worship of multiple gods. Goddess worship, as female deities were not prominent in early Vedic religion, though later goddesses like Saraswati and Ushas appear. Sacrifice and rituals, as yagna sacrifice were main religious practice with offerings to deities like Indra, Agni and Varun. Kings and priests conducted yagna to please gods and bring prosperity. No temples. Worship took place in open spaces. ठीक. Concept of Reeth, cosmic order, maintained by sacrifices. The famous battle of 10 kings was fought on the bank of किस नदी के किनारे? गंगा उस समय उतना सिग्निफिकेंट नहीं था. ब्रह्मपुत्र ये मेंशन ही नहीं है. कावेरी साउथ इंडियन रिवर है. परुष्णी मतलब रावी इज मेंशन इन ऋग्वेद एज द साइट ऑफ बैटल ऑफ 10 किंग्स. ठीक. 10 राजन युद्ध fought between King Sudh, a Bharat tribe and confederation of 10 other tribes. Victory of Sudh strengthened the position of Bharat in Punjab region. Later Bharat merged with Puru tribe to form the Kuru kingdom post-Vedic period. ठीक. The famous battle of 10 kings described in the Rigved was found on the bank of Purushni river, Ravi river के किनारे. Explicitly mentioned in Rigved. Saraswati is a sacred river, not battleground. Vipasa, modern Beas. ठीक. अक्सिनी, चेनाब, ये लोग उससे रिलेटेड नहीं थे. Which of the following river was referred to as माते तामा, देवी तामा, नदी तामा? ये सरस्वती जी. सिंधु, इंडस वॉज ए मेजर रिवर बट ये सबसे ज़्यादा मतलब मेंशन किया गया है सिंधु का. सरस्वती कंसिडर मोस्ट सैक्रेड रिवर, कॉल्ड माते तामा मदर ऑफ ऑल, देवी तामा बेस्ट ऑफ गॉडेस एंड नदी तामा बेस्ट ऑफ रिवर. वितस्ता, मॉडर्न झेलम डज नॉट हैव दिस टाइटल्स. ठीक. यमुना गेंड प्रोमिनेंस ओनली इन लेटर वैदिक पीरियड. ठीक. वितस्ता को क्या झेलम कहा जाता है अभी. Which of the following terms is not related to Panchajan, 5 tribes of Rigved? यदु हैं, पुरु हैं, तुर्वासा हैं, किकट नॉन वैदिक ट्राइब है, पॉसिबली द्रविडियन और इंडिजिनस पीपल ऑफ मगध. Yadu was one of the Vedic tribe. Puru played a major role in early Aryan history. Durvasa formed an early Vedic confederation. ठीक. In the ancient period, the chief livelihood source of Aryan was agriculture. Correct है, as Aryans were primarily engaged in agriculture and pastoralism during both early and later period. Hunting was supplementary, not the primary. Art craft, as craft specialization developed later with urbanization in Mahajanpad period. Business, as trade and commerce were not dominant in early Vedic period. Early Vedic Aryan 1500 to 1000 BC were primarily pastoralist and semi-nomadic. Later Vedic period 1600 saw extensive agricultural expansion with iron tools and settled life. The word yav means barley. Yav in Rigved refers to barley, which was a staple crop. Gram, chickpeas are mentioned later. Rice, as rice vrihi is rarely mentioned in early Vedic text, became prominent in later Vedic period. Wheat, as wheat was not primary crop of early Vedic period. Barley, yav, is most commonly cultivated crop in the Rig Vedic period. Rice, vrihi, appears rarely in Rig Veda but becomes prominent in later Vedic literature. ठीक. व्रीही मतलब राइस, मुदगा मूंग, याव मिलेट, इक्षु सुगर केन. व्रीही राइस is the ancient term of rice in Sanskrit literature. Mudga, moong bean, mentioned in later Vedic text. Yava, millet, primarily refers to barley but sometimes include millet. Ikshu, sugar cane, important for juice extraction and early sugar production. Rig Vedic, pani belongs to which class of citizens? Priest, as pani was not associated with Brahmins. Iron smith, as iron technology was not dominant in early Vedic period. Goldsmith, panis were not artisans. Traders, correct, as panis were merchants and traders, sometimes depicted negatively in Vedic text. ठीक, कभी कभार इन लोगों को मेंशन निगेटिवली भी किया गया है. Pani were associated with wealth and trade, cattle trade. Some Rigvedic hymns describe them as non-sacrificing people, indicating their detachment from ritualist Brahmanical culture. Okay. The system of governance prevalent in Vedic era was autocratic नहीं. Vedic kings were not absolute rulers. Democratic नहीं. Democratic in the modern sense did not exist. Republic, though some republican state like Vaji emerged later. Vaji बाद में आया. Descendant monarchy, as kingship was mostly hereditary but not absolute, often guided by councils like Sabha and Samiti. ठीक, डिसेंडेड मोनार्ची थी, मतलब सभा और समिति थी कंट्रोल करने के लिए. किंग राजन वाज द रूलर बट हैड लिमिटेड पावर. ठीक, सभा एंड समिति असेंबलीज एक्टेड एज एडवाइजरी बॉडीज. लेटर वैदिक पीरियड सा कंसोलिडेशन ऑफ मोनार्ची विथ रिचुअल्स लाइक अश्वमेध. मतलब आगे चल के क्या अश्वमेध यज्ञ होना शुरू हो गया. सभा ऑफ वैदिक एरिया क्या है, वैदिक इरा, सभा और समिति. देखिए सभा क्या थी, इंस्टीट्यूशन टू मर्सेंटाइल पीपल नहीं. सभा वाज एन एडवाइजरी एंड जुडिशियल बॉडी. रॉयल कोर्ट पार्शियली करेक्ट है, एज इट फंक्शन इन गवर्नेंस बट वाज मोर ऑफ एन असेंबली. काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर गलत है क्योंकि इट वाज ए लार्जर पब्लिक बॉडी, नॉट जस्ट मिनिस्टर्स. नेशनल असेंबली करेक्ट है. सभा वाज एन एलाइट असेंबली वाइल समिति रिप्रेजेंटेड द कॉमन पीपल. सभा काउंसिल ऑफ लर्नड एंड एलाइट पीपल. Samiti, General Assembly of Common People. Both were mentioned in Rig Veda as advisory bodies to the king. ठीक, तो ये नेशनल असेंबली थी सभा. इन विच ऑफ द वेद सभा समिति आर कॉल्ड द टू डॉटर्स ऑफ प्रजापति. ये कहाँ किस में कहा गया है, अथर्ववेद में कहा गया है. ऋग्वेद तो सभा एंड समिति आर मेंशन, दे वर नॉट कॉल्ड डॉटर ऑफ प्रजापति. मतलब सभा और समिति के बारे में बताया गया है लेकिन प्रजापति की पुत्री थी या नहीं बताया गया है. समवेद फोकसेज ऑन चैंट एंड रिचुअल्स. यजुर्वेद sacrificial text. अथर्ववेद एक्सप्लेनेड द टू डॉटर्स ऑफ प्रजापति. ठीक, ये देखते हैं हम लोग. ऋग्वेदिक ट्राइबल असेंबली एसोसिएटेड विद जुडिशियल फंक्शन वाज सभा. सभा जो है जुडिशियल पावर देखती थी. समिति ये इट वाज मोर ए पॉलिटिकल एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव बॉडी. विधाता एज वाज एन अर्लियर असेंबली. ऑल ऑफ दिस मतलब सिर्फ सभा है. सभा फंक्शन एज ए लॉ कोर्ट especially for serious disputes. Samiti helped in administrative matters. Vidhata was an early institution that declined in later Vedic times. ठीक, अब यहीं हम लोग खत्म करते हैं, बाकी आगे पढ़ते हैं. थैंक यू, बाय बाय.